Tomorrow is World Women's Day, and today I want to take you through the struggles of being a woman. Trust me, you would not have realized this, and you would be shocked to hear what a woman goes through in an entire lifetime. If you watch this video, you will be able to understand, support her, and make it better. Let's start with disclaimer. First thing, not that her घर में inequality है, but it is predominantly present. And today I will be talking more about the worst side. Second thing, not that life of man is very smooth. The gender of man has their own set of challenges too. But at this point of time, I am just trying to acknowledge and bring in front of you the sufferings of women. By the age of 12, there are major changes in a girl's life. Hormones have a lot to answer for, from changing body shape to acne to menstrual cycles. A 12 to 13-year-old girl starts to bleed 5 to 7 days every month, and during these, she faces period cramps, irregular periods, learns to deal with the sanitary pads, and it's taboo in the society from restricting themselves from certain activities to being considered unsacred. Since there are changes in the body, the breast is developing, there are consequences too. There are people who try to take advantage, who try to eve tease, stare at certain body parts, and touch inappropriately. You don't believe? A study on sexual harassment of 7 to 12 grade students found that 56% of the girls have experienced any kind of sexual harassment. And not that girls are not only safe outside. 27.7% girls were victimized by a family member. This means that if you meet 4 girls, 2 of them have been a victim of sexual harassment. Just think what they're going through. And mind you, we have just started. The effects of hormones aren't just physical. Emotions can run high thanks to acceleration in the relationships and a growing need of independence. But they are not given independence. They are more suppressed as they get older. Why? Society is safe नहीं है ना. Society में खतरा है. अब आता है एडल्टहुड, जो बॉयज़ के लिए अलग होता है और गर्ल्स के लिए अलग. Girls, despite being adults, have to fight for their independence, sometimes even for the basic rights of gaining higher secondary or university education. उसके बाद कुकिंग सीखो, घर का काम सीखो. Well, we need to stop assigning household tasks to a particular gender, and cooking is a basic life survival skill. Everyone needs to learn that. उसके बाद आता है the purpose of girls' life, शादी. In most of the cases, decision of marriage is taken or influenced by the parents of the girls. एंड समटाइम्स इवन आर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. वेल, पेरेंट्स से थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ तो करना पड़ेगा उनके लिए. चलो शादी हो गई, पर वेट, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बदला. अब तक पेरेंट्स से परमिशन मांगते थे, अब पति से मांगेंगे और पति के पेरेंट्स से मांगेंगे. जॉब आफ्टर मैरिज करने देंगे कि नहीं, वो भी एक क्वेश्चन है. चलो हाँ बोला, पर घर का काम तो करके ही जाना पड़ेगा. और पति के पेरेंट्स का टेक केयर वो भी तो वाइफ को ही करना है. ये तो कोई बोलने वाली बात है. उसके बाद when she should have kids, that is also largely influenced by the family members. How many kids? Well, that too. As I said before, I'm talking about the worst case scenarios and the scenarios which are predominantly present in the society. डिलीवरी के 9 महीने, उसके बाद लेबर पेन, उसके बाद बॉडी इमेज इश्यू, उसके बाद पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस. इसके बाद काफ़ी फैमिलीज़ में बच्चों को रेस करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज ऑल्सो ऑन द शोल्डर ऑफ वाइफ अलोन. On top of that, our society and culture is so patriarchal that all the major decisions of the family are taken by the male members of the family. Because of this, a girl or woman in the family loses their self-dignity and respect. Because of this, beating or abusing women in a family is considered normal. 1 in 3 women in India have experienced domestic violence by their spouses. Now post 40-45, there may be decrease in libido, lack of interest in sex due to medical reasons. But many a time all husband cares about is sex. If they don't get their needs satisfied by their wife, they may go elsewhere. And who is responsible for this? Wife. उसके बाद आता है पेरीमेनोपॉज, which can begin to cause fatigue, mood swings, insomnia, heavy or irregular periods and weight changes. एंड उसके बाद आता है मेनोपॉज. पहले पीरियड के साथ एडजस्ट किया, अब 35-40 ईयर्स ब्लीड करने के बाद दे हैव टू अगेन एडजस्ट विद द न्यू साइकिल ऑफ नॉट ब्लीडिंग. दे आर नॉट रिप्रोडक्टिव एनी मोर. देर आर चेंजेस इन द मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड देर आर various kinds of pain during this period. After this, alongside hormonal changes, thyroid problems, diabetes, breast cancer and cardiovascular disease can also begin to surface. women are prone to depression more in this phase of their life. ये सारी बातों की बस यही समरी निकलती है कि वुमेन इन ईच फेज ऑफ देयर लाइफ फेस लॉट ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स विच आर नॉट अवॉइडेबल, बट देर आर अदर सेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विच आर ड्यू टू patriarchy in the society and due to inequality. We should try to understand and support a woman when they are facing biological problems and try to eliminate all the problems that they are facing due to patriarchy. If you like this video, do take a moment to follow for a change. We try to raise awareness across various social cause issues like these in order to bring a difference in the society. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do share this video with your friends and help us spread more awareness. And happy Women's Day to all the girls who are watching out there. Stay safe.